I share about editing data from the database in Joomla 5 component development. In this video I will share about deleting data. If we select item and click on delete, the item should be deleted. So we are working on that delete function in this video. So let's go to our code file. As same in the previous edit methods, we have to create delete methods in controller and model. So create public function delete. After that, it is the same as above. And the next step is we have to check the token with session, Joomla session, check token. If the token is not correct, it will show invalid token. We created the token in previous videos. So the next step is import app input. It is the same as above, and we have to get the ID for which ID we want to delete. So CID equal input get CID, and this is array comma array. After that, the next step is model equal this dot get model, the model hello. For each CIDS ID, we are looping the CID. And for each loop, if model delete, we are working the delete method. We have to add the ID and check if the delete is success. So we have to write the set message deleted successfully, else we have to show the fail message get application and give message delete fail, and show the error. So implode you can also use without implode. Let's try this delete fail error. And the next step is this is getting the for each loop, because there we can select multi-select, and so it will loop each item and delete. After that, we have to set a redirect in the route index.php option com hello I have explained that in previous videos. So we are redirecting and c equal hello that we gave in earlier videos and 12 false. Now we have written the delete function. After written in the controller, we have to write again in model. So let's go to hello.model, hello.php model. Here we have to add the delete function. So let's add here public function delete, and here there will be id to delete which item, and there in the model we have to connect with the database and delete. So dv equal factory get container get database driver query equal db get query true and try query delete. Now we have to add the table name. Copy this table name and we have to add the condition to which item we want to delete. So where db and code name id dot equal to dv code $id. We are searching for the item that's the same id from this parameter. So we are retrieving that item and add delete method, and the next step is we have to db set query. After return query, we have to add the set query method query, and the next step is we have to execute. The next one is catch, and there will be a runtime exception if there is error in deleting factory get application and queue message and this exception message get message comma error, and we have to return false. For this we have to return true. Now we have written the delete function also in model. In the previous video, in edit video, we created the we added the XML values here. We get to get the ID, and in this video we add the controller method and controller delete method and model delete method. So after written this code, let's try to run how it looks like. Let's go to our project, and I will refresh this. I have to log in again. And here I will select one and click on delete. Here you can see the alert box. We have written this in view. Here you can see in the toolbar we added delete list. Are you sure? Delete. Are you sure? The alert box. If we call this delete list method and we add this tag, so it will show in alert box, model box, and it will work on delete method. So it is showing are you sure. If I click on yes, now you can see deleted successfully, and there is only one data in our template. Let's try to look in the database. Let's refresh. There is also only one data. Let's try to delete this also. Click on yes, deleted successfully. If I refresh the table, here there are no data now. So we have successfully deleted the data from the database in our component development. In this video we wrote the controller method for delete, and after that model method for delete. Now we have successfully deleted our data. So in the next video I will share more about component development. There are many other to learn about. So for this video that's all for now. Thank you very much for your attention.